everybody. So excited to be sitting here with Chris this morning. We have had a lot of really exciting progress happening over here on the TheraCann front. I know with a lot of you who I've had the privilege of speaking directly with, I've let you know a couple of details. Obviously, haven't been able to open up the whole drawer to you, but here we are. We're going to get to talk about it. So we've had a ton of progress being made, and we have some very, very exciting things happening in the future. So Chris, why don't we talk about the most exciting one? Take it away.
Fair enough, and thank you all again for your patience. We have been holding off on an announcement for some time now as we were in a blackout period. We have been working, as we discussed in our last video newsletter for the previous quarter in Q1, to discuss about our plans to take one of our assets public. I am wearing my Sprout AI shirt today for a reason. Sprout AI has been approved by the CSE, not the TSX, the CSE, to go public. We have received final approval. We have completed the amalgamation with the number count, which is a reverse takeover, of which TheraCann will remain the majority owner of that number code. We have advanced to getting it to the point of SPRT will be our call symbol, and we're counting down the days, Colleen. We're waiting to go public with Sprout AI.
So massive congratulations. I know some of you may not be aware of the actual feat that is that Chris has been able to overcome with the Sprout team, but it is a hands down amazing opportunity. So I'm so happy for you. Massive congratulations. And I'm also very happy for our debenture holders because this is going to have a positive impact for us. So why don't we chat a little bit about what that's going to mean to all of the debenture holders?
Well, it's stability, Colleen. We had promised our debenture holders after the failure to launch in September of 2019 that we would find another way forward to protect their best interests. We had explored CSE market specifically for TheraCann. If you recall, in Q1 2020, we pulled that off the table because of the market meltdown due to COVID-19. COVID-19, as everyone remembers, then closed the COE that I'm sitting in today, back in my office, of course, for the remainder of 2020 to the end of Q4. And then we got back into business. Sprout was able to get its gear back online, as we reported in Q1. We've now cultivated over a dozen crops inside these habitats of ours as we expand the racks as well to get to a full block of them. And for those of you that are even interested in what we're cultivating, please visit sproutai.solutions. I'll show a lot of it. Now, why is that stability? We sold Sprout. We sold it. We have a contract running for a total of 1,390 Sprout units, of which the first part of that rolling order is well underway. We received our first deposit on the first 140 units. Those units will be assembled here in Panama Pacifico High Tech Park for export internationally. To do that, we needed a new team, and that new team is now in the saddle. These employees of ours are now totaling 9, for which we're very, very thankful, very happy. Again, to have multilingual, multi-talented resources to help us run forward very, very quickly. Now, with these orders in place for Sprout, this particular order is a TheraCann contract. This is a TheraCann client for whom we have planned, we've designed, and we're implementing this facility. It's a 5-year contract that will allow TheraCann to get back up on its feet. Now, going forward, Sprout has focused on a much broader market. Sprout is focused on things other than just cannabis, and because of that, we've attracted interest globally. The broken supply food chain that everyone has experienced at some level during COVID is really touched a nerve. And for remote communities, indigenous communities, and certainly for larger metropolitan cities globally, whether this is Singapore, whether it's Toronto, whether it's New York, being able to put Sprout into ready-built warehouses that we can effectively assemble like Lego blocks is really touching all the boxes. It is an ESG company. We will be reporting as an ESG entity moving forward. And once we're up and we're trading, we're going to have a lot more news for you. So please stay tuned.
Absolutely. So, for anyone who has any questions, please do feel free to reach out to me directly. As Chris also mentioned, please visit that website, the Sprout AI website. It is at the bottom of all of our emails, and it will be tagged in this email as well for you to be able to visit and see what crops we are growing. We appreciate everybody's patience with us. We are so excited for the upcoming news that we're going to continue to share with you. So, like Chris said, make sure that you're staying tuned. Take care, everyone.
Thanks, Colleen. And for those of you wondering, yes, coffee is still order of the day for our team here. We're still pushing 18 hours. We have 204 days left in the year to make up for lost ground. And again, thank you all very much for your patience. We're here, we're in the COE, and we're doing the best we can to protect your investment and obviously share some even better news with you in the days to follow. Thank you.
Absolutely. Make sure you stay tuned, guys. Take care.
Ciao, ciao.